Hi, I'm Leslie with Jomar Business Solutions. A lot of us grew up learning about money from people who lived in a completely different financial system. Our parents and grandparents lived through incredible challenges. Some survived the Great Depression, others lived through wars, recession, layoffs, and difficult economic times. They taught us what they knew: work hard, pay bills, and when you can, and save when you can, and take care of your family. That's what I remember growing up with. And those lessons still matter. They really do. They still matter. But here's what's changed: the financial system didn't stay the same. That's the thing. It didn't stay the same. Credit scoring changed, credit scoring models, they just kind of evolved. And then the lending standards, we all know they changed. Technology changed. The way the banks value risk changed. The way employers or landlords, insurance companies, and lenders use information, that all changed. Yet so many people are still trying to navigate today's system with yesterday's instructions. That's not a criticism of previous generations. They taught us what they could, and that information kept us going for a long time. However, nothing is a quick fix. So I created Clarity Command, and I wanted to make sure that people learned how credit reports work, how scoring models work, how the decisions that they make connect to how they're living, and then how stability, credit, housing, protection, business, and growth influence one another. Again, I'm not trying to do a quick fix. What I'm trying to do is educate. And when you are well informed, you have clarity. When you have clarity, you have control. So what I made sure of, and this took me a little bit to pull it all together and what I've taught down through the years, but I want to make sure that we are educating our community and having everyone understand their credit and get control over their financial system that's in their home. Please visit us at www.jomarbusinesssolutions.com. Check out our classes. Check out the apps that can help you personally and in your business. If you have any questions, please feel to email us, support@jomarbusinesssolutions.com. But please check out our website and let us know what you think. We appreciate it. Take care.